Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Ang ginagawa natin reaction video ang Daspia compilation because why not? So I won't take any longer. I'm really excited to watch this one. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ay, bagong ganap bagong ganap niya. Okay. You will love me. Okay. Okay. Cute ni Bianca. Cute ni Bianca. Bianca is such a baby girl. What is this?
Ayan, number 1, we're just friends. That's parang dalago ko sa chika. We're just friends. Number 2, love team lang talaga. Number 3, I really like her. Number 4,
I really like her.
We're officially
Ay.
in a relationship.
May magagalito. Huh?
Ipakas mo ba o magagamit na kaya ni Dustin ang whiteboard at ang marker? Abangan sa pagdodot. Joke lang. Ngayon na. Sasagutin ba ni Dustin?
Wala sa choices yung sagot ko. So, pasok ko. Okay.
Okay, so isusulat mo na lahat.
Yung number.
Kung ano yung sagot mo, wala yun. Kung ano yung sagot mo. Wait.
May magaling yung atake sila. Ay, atake ang ano ha? Atake ang, what do you call this? Hindi siya lotion. Hindi siya lotion. Ano pala siya? What do you call, ang ganda naman ni Bianca. Atake, more blessing, more fun. I love it, Bianca. Ay, ba't parang iba yung boses siya dito? What is this? Tinapanood na natin to. Uy, wait lang. Can I just request na maging kind naman tayo? Kasi nakita ko yung tweet ni Will. Tao pa din naman talaga si Will. Sana walang may mga mag-wish na mga something like ill sa kanyang family, di ba? Kasi kawawa naman si Will. Uy, di ba? Anyways, tinangan natin si Ma'am Miles Roltan. Ay, ito sa interview. Parang ito lang yung napanood ko Ay, hello. Atake. Ay, cutie niya talaga. Such a baby. Okay, sige P, push mo yan. Silhouette. Okay. Doon na muna tayo sa sarili natin ito. Ganun ba talaga dapat, Belle? Atake? Pops, ano na? Anyways, ito yung nag-date sila. Tingnan natin yung mga yung mga repost ni Ma'am Miles. Ay, ano to? Ivy Day? Alam mo si Dustin, parang umalis si Dustin lately. Kasama niya si Ginoo, if I'm not mistaken. Ay, hello.
I visited Dustin Yu at his restaurant in San Juan called Araya. We
Araya.
sat down for an exclusive interview where he opened up about life after PBB and the realities of being in the public eye. We also talked about what he's been working on, a romance film with Bianca De Vera and Will Ashley called Love You So Bad, and a Shake, Rattle and Roll movie. Dustin also shared his journey as a businessman and how Araya came to life. He then showed us around the place and even prepared some of his top picks from the menu that we got to enjoy. Catch the full interview on Push and ABS-CBN platforms and on Kapamilya Online Live.
Okay. Ay! Pops! Hala! Can time the frost. Sino kayong lalaki? Wait lang, tinangan natin dito. Ito may mga ganap sila kay Daspia for today's video. Ay, bakit naman nagluluti? Ang gwapo ni Dustin. Gwapo din ni Nikki, mga Chinese. Gwapo dito ni Nikki ko. In love kasi ngayon to eh. Chares! Chares! Ay! Wait, can you enlighten me? Sa movie nila. Okay. Oh. Ay! Bianca, update di pa yung buting staray. Kanino galing ang flowers? Chares! Tama ka sa pagsanda. Nating dalawa. I love this song. Namahalay. Okay. So sweet. Bagay na bagay talaga sila, mommy. I swear. Bagay na bagay talaga sila. Okay. Natin dalawa. Okay. What's next? Ay. Ay. What's next? Daylight. Si Pops. Iba din si Pops eh, no? Atake din si Pops, ah. Daylight, daylight. Okay. Anyways, that is our for today's video. Our Daspia compilation. This is Kiki Vlogs. This is your next vlog. Bye.